Hey everybody, I am Jeff with Eternity Shore. That is the Middle River with barges for the 4th of July fireworks. We were so grateful to be picked up by Jeff and his son in their dinghy, and they invited us over to their trawler to watch the fireworks this year. And we were supposed to be in Solomon's, as you probably know, but that didn't work out. So enjoy this brief video of us following the barges, heading to the boat, and watching the fireworks for the first time on the Middle River.
I really feel like we're the escort, don't you?
I was just gonna say the color of this thing, it looks like a, like a police vest or something.
It does.
So yeah, people getting out of our way thinking
I've got a camera.
we just had a little blue light or red light.
Excuse me, grabbing this line here.
So it is the 5th of July. We are on the Middle River, not where we thought we would be, but we're with friends, which is nice. So the fireworks will go off tonight. So I'm going to give you a view of Middle River, Maryland. So let me just go ahead and do a 360. And our marina is down there. Fireworks will be down there. Here's the barge that we were passing. This is looking east towards the Chesapeake Bay.
So cool.
So it's your first fireworks out here.
This is awesome.
Pretty epic.
One of the things I always thought was so cool at the end of it, because you can't applaud, everybody blows their horn. That's the way you applaud. So everybody just
I'm excited for you to blow your horn then.
I am too. I got to make sure the deck is cleared.
All right. Just scare the crap out of the people in front of me.
Yeah, well.
That'd be awesome.
Getting ready for fireworks on the Middle River. It's our first fireworks here in the Middle River. Sunset right behind us. Some guy's still in the water. Would you be in the water right now? Swimming around? I don't know.
Let's go, Jeff. Light them up.
On behalf